Let's be honest for a moment, guys. Internal linking is one of those SEO tasks everyone knows is important, but it's also one of the easiest things to ignore. You publish a new article, move on to the next one, and before you know it, half of your posts aren't even connected to each other. The problem is that internal links play a huge role in how both users and search engines understand your website. They guide readers through your content, help distribute page authority, and keep visitors on your site longer. But doing all of this manually can quickly become messy, especially if your site already has dozens or even hundreds of articles. I am Daniel, and today we're taking a look at AI Link Genius by RankMath, an AI-powered internal linking solution built directly into your WordPress dashboard. This isn't just another related post plugin. It's a smart assistant that finds and manages your links intelligently. RankMath finds the best links, fixes broken ones, and even suggests new opportunities, automatically saving you time and keeping your site organized. Guys, make sure you check out all the useful links in the description after watching this video. There might be some nice discounts there. Let's jump in. Alright mates, before we dive into the tutorial itself, let's quickly understand what this tool actually does. RankMath is already one of the most popular SEO plugins for WordPress, helping website owners manage everything from on-page SEO to schema markup and analytics. But AI Link Genius adds something particularly powerful to the mix: an intelligent internal linking system powered by AI. Instead of relying on simple keyword matches, like many traditional linking tools, this one analyzes the context of your content. It studies the meaning of sentences, the topics of your articles, and the relationships between different pages across your site. Friends, this allows it to find opportunities that would normally take a human editor hours to discover. Besides suggesting new internal links, the tool can also detect broken ones, identify orphan pages that search engines can't easily reach, and even help you update hundreds of them at once. So rather than spending hours maintaining your site's link structure manually, the system acts like a smart assistant that continuously optimizes it in the background. Now guys, let's take a look at how it actually works. Folks, once the module is activated inside RankMath, you'll notice a new Link Genius dashboard in the menu. The first thing the system does is perform a full audit of your website, scanning every page and analyzing the existing link structure. You can see the progress of this scan directly in the dashboard, which is important because the AI needs to understand the entire content structure before it can make accurate suggestions. Next guys, after the scan is finished, you'll land on the Overview tab, where you get a clear picture of your site's link health. One of the first things you might notice here is the broken links section, where the system lists pages that return 404 errors. In the past, you would have to track these issues manually or rely on separate tools, but now everything appears in one place. There's even a visual status chart that shows what percentage of your links are healthy and which ones still need attention. From here, mates, we can move to the real magic of the system: automatic opportunities. Imagine you've just written a detailed article about server operating systems. Normally, you'd have to search through your older posts to find related content, but with this tool, you simply open the Link Opportunities section and click Generate. At this point, the neural network analyzes not just the keywords in your article, but also the surrounding technical context. If your text mentions something like Ubuntu server, the AI might connect it with a previous guide about Linux security configuration. The system scans your entire content database and produces a list of relevant linking suggestions. Instead of trying to remember hundreds of articles you've written over time, you simply review the proposed links, choose the best ones, and insert them with a single click. This ensures that every new article naturally becomes part of your site's overall structure, which is extremely helpful for distributing page authority. Guys, before we move on, I try to make my content fun instead of boring. And in return, please like this video and subscribe to my channel if you enjoy the content I make. Another situation where AI Link Genius becomes very useful is when you need to update links across your site in bulk. For example, if your company rebrands or you decide to update the terminology used on your blog, changing hundreds of links manually would normally take hours. With the bulk update feature, however, the process happens in 3 simple steps. First, you filter the links you want to modify: internal or external, specific anchor texts, or even posts published during a certain time period. Then the AI helps configure the changes, allowing you to update link attributes or replace outdated URLs with new ones. For example, guys, if your portal previously used the anchor text Linux setup, you might want to update it to something more precise, like advanced Linux configuration. Once the system finds all occurrences of the old phrase, you can preview the changes and apply them instantly. For more strategic optimization, there's also a feature called keyword maps. This tool allows you to create automated linking rules that strengthen important pages on your site. Let's say you have a detailed article about fine-tuning GPT models, and you want it to become the main hub for all AI-related content on your website. You simply create a keyword map, set that article as the target page, and let the AI generate related keyword variations. Mates, the system will then search through your site to find relevant anchor text and create internal links pointing to that central page. If you enable the auto-link option, it can even add them automatically whenever new posts are published. That means your internal linking structure keeps evolving naturally as your website grows. Finally, inside the General Settings panel, you can define global rules for the system. For example, you might want to exclude landing pages, service pages, or specific categories so that links only appear in certain types of content. This gives you a nice balance between automation and full control over how the system behaves. So here's the bottom line, friends. Internal linking has always been a fundamental part of SEO, but it's also one of the most time-consuming and overlooked tasks for many website owners. Managing it manually quickly becomes overwhelming as your site grows. AI Link Genius changes that approach entirely. Instead of constantly searching for linking opportunities and updating posts by hand, the system analyzes your content automatically, suggests relevant connections, and keeps your structure organized. What's especially impressive is how contextual the AI suggestions are. Rather than simply matching keywords, the tool actually understands how topics across your website relate to each other, which helps build a much stronger content structure. Feel free to check out the links in the description below. You might find some discounts there. As usual, don't forget to like this video and subscribe to my channel. Thanks for watching, until next time.